Hello, social cat. This is Deacon, Leroy, Elvis, Tobias, Makai, Marquis, Tyrone, Henson. I'm from Word of Life. Be ready. Jesus is coming to the day that you meet him again in the sky. Tell him from man. And you go back up top again. And you go back down again. Ready, set, go. Church. Now, I just want to tell y'all, God has been good to you. You got to give him some praise. Give him some praise. Give him some praise. If God has been good to you, and you, and you, and you, you're gonna love it. Now give him some praise. Give him some praise. Give him some praise.